it's been a while. That's Robert.
That's Julie.
Today is his birthday. It's August 3rd.
Yay!
So, of course, we went and spent some money. I know he's not too happy about it, but oh well. He should be.
I should be?
Mm-hmm.
Why should I?
Is it your birthday?
Okay.
Don't you know that, Ricky? It's your birthday.
Okay. I get it. All right.
Okay. So, it's been a while since we've done a haul. And we are going to get it going. And we're going to tell you kind of some stuff that we're going to be doing with It's Our Thing. And with our other channels. Because we're trying to get up on top of our videos. You know, it's kind of hard when you don't go anywhere anymore. We don't spend any money anymore.
Well, the other thing too is it's hot.
Yeah, we're in triple digits here, and we don't have hardly any trees. We have concrete and asphalt.
Yeah, and it's
you
hot.
Get that Satan, the devil loves Texas.
It's very hot, and some shoulder and health issues and stuff like that. It's been a rough first half of the year. So since April. So yeah, we're looking at starting something really pretty good coming up for the rest of the year. And so this is our Dollar Tree haul.
Yeah, and on my channel, I've done a lot of cooking videos, but I've also started doing cleaning videos. So you'll have to check that out, because also It's Our Thing is going to be also a craft thing that we're going to be doing.
Mm-hmm.
So what you got?
Well, the first thing I got is
I'm eating cheese and drinking my drink, so you just have to excuse me.
Our aloe vera plants have had babies, lots of babies.
We've given away, and they still keep producing.
And so I'm giving the things to our neighbors and friends around, and I'm going to take some stuff to work. And the first thing is I needed something that would I could carry to work and just give the plants out to some of the guys. So I got these.
Now mind you, I got pots out in the back.
These are like real thin and small, and they're easy to carry, and I can take them and put them on the carry them with me on the train and not take up a lot of space. But we started out with two aloe plants that were...
No, he started out with
two. And they were about this big. They were I guess close to 2.5, 3 foot tall, and they're sprouting sprouts everywhere. So anyway, I got 6 of these.
We had to separate those two.
Yeah, they need to get a room, and so I got 6 little pots that I can put the plants in, take them to work, and give them away, and somebody else will have a problem.
Oh, and Miracle, I don't know if we've told y'all. Actually, it was Tuffy.
Tuffy Tiger.
She went to a new home. What? Month and a half ago. And she's spoiled. She's so spoiled. My girlfriend Mary has her, so she's really, really spoiled. Okay. So first off, I got the candle holders. I got candle holders.
Bleh.
And I'm gonna glue them like this, and I'm gonna make something out of this. Make it pretty.
Okay.
And I got 2 of those.
She's gonna do it twice. She liked it so much.
And I got the epoxy super glue from Walmart.
Dollar Tree.
From Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
That I'm going to use on those, because normally I use the E6000 and hot glue. But one of my ladies that I watch on YouTube, Natalie Callahan, Design to the Nines, she uses this on her stuff like this. So I'm going to try it and see how it is.
Okay. Well, I snuck this into the basket. This is a dog toy, but we're not going to tell our kids. No. They won't know the difference. And what's really cool about this is it makes this crinkly sound, and it's kind of long, and I thought Pig would probably love it.
We have a tuxedo cat. His name is Pig. He's what, 30-something inches long?
30, yeah, he's real long and lanky.
And he plays with everything. Everything. If it's not tied down and if it can roll, he's got it.
So I won't let him see the beagle. No, not going to happen. This is a cat toy from now on.
Okay. So, super glue. We're always needing super glue around here, especially on the trains, because we're fixing to start on It's Our Thing doing the trains. We've got a N-scale train that I'm fixing to do. We're going to do a winter Candyland. So it's going to be cool.
We've been collecting cars off and on for about the last year, just at a show and at discount places and stuff, and it's kind of one of those mind-numbing, relaxing kind of things that it's good for everybody. It's our little Japanese garden. The sticker won't come off. I'm frustrated. This sticker won't come off. And now for something completely different. She'll get it off in one whack. You watch. I don't feel so bad now. I don't feel so bad. I feel bad now. I feel really bad. Anyway.
Why would they put that on the fur anyway? They're retarded.
I have no idea. They could have put it on the back. It's got plenty of back. You won't like the back to fill the bag.
No.
No.
That's
all right.
I like the LA colors. I had to get me some concealer. Okay. I've been doing these little things. I got this one here that has the wood on the back because I saw a thing where you can use your Cricut maker to make the stuff for this, and so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try my hand at it and see how that works. Okay. I'm starting a new, what is it?
I have no idea.
Small family meal planning?
Oh yeah, she's starting a new channel.
No, it's the same channel.
Same channel, just a new aspect of it.
Clean and Cook with Julie B.
You know, a lot of people, you go out on YouTube and you see people
doing these big, large families.
They're cooking for 13 or they're cooking for 11 and all this stuff, and they got these big, huge colanders and these pots and stuff, and they're cooking like crazy. There's 3 of us in the cats. The 3 of us, okay? So if we used that big stuff and cooked, we'd have food for days, which months, years, yeah. So the deal is, our hard part is cooking for us without a lot of waste and leftovers and stuff. I'm not real big on leftovers.
And what we do is I put them back in the freezer because our meals that I make consist of 4. And he has a friend. His name is Frank.
Who's a bachelor, and his
form of food is ramen noodles and TV dinners.
Yeah.
Now,
so
how healthy is that?
He's gonna die of sodium poisoning.
So, what I'm doing is I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna put back a portion. So that's what these notebooks are for, is so I can make my notes in it. Notes, good.
That makes good. That makes sense. I like that.
But anyway, put my recipes in here, because then we're gonna do a website. I don't know what the website's gonna be called. I don't know if it's gonna be for small families or what. You know, you can make it up to 6 because I use a meal line, and that is part of my thing, and so I can write what I need and how to do it and everything in here. And I got 2 of those. Then, now every time we haul these, 1 or 2 breaks in the yard. So,
we're going for $1.25.
What we're going to do is we're going to put these out front and the ones that I have out front now in the back. They have a stick, but I think what I'm going to try to do is where I've got the holes now, is go ahead and stick these down in the ground.
The metal part.
Yeah. Stick it so
it couldn't hurt. It's $1.25.
I mean, I think we can stick them down to about, with this in there, to about here.
I don't know. Our yard is as dry and as hard as a rock.
But we're going to figure it out.
It's our thing.
Okay.
Now what?
Now back to what I was talking about with the small family thing is that I've got these containers with lids, and I'm going to get in here one day and I'm going to just start randomly going and doing freezer meals. And then that way we have them, but there's all different kinds of sizes that they have now. And they even have the round ones with the lids, the big round ones. So I thought that would be good because we're starting this, and what better way to start than get some and then start building our thing from there. That's 3. This is 2, and I got 2 of these.
2!
This is 2, and I got 2 of these, and these are 2, and I got 2 of those.
Okay.
So, okay, put those over there.
Over there. Oh, you know, I know she got you some green.
Oh, yeah. We work out in the yard a lot, and he didn't have a pair of gloves. His root beer, the best root beer. He really likes it.
If you haven't tried Sprecker's root beer, you really need to. It's wonderful.
Okay. So one of the
dishes... It's got honey in it. It's real honey.
One of the dishes I'm going to do is a chicken and rice thing. But I'm going to use the Knorr's chicken because it only has 1 gram Knorr's chicken flavor rice. It has 1 gram of sugar per half a cup, 50 grams of carbs per half a cup. It's 230 calories. But when you add chicken with this, you won't eat that much. Well, I wouldn't because I can't eat that much anyway. I know, and I'm snacking out on cheese here.
What else you got there?
That's all it can go over there.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I have this sign that says Amazing Grace, How Sweet the Sound. Well, I'm going to move it after the maybe. I don't know. I might put this above the window. But I found this sign, and it says home where family gathers, friends meet, and roots grow. I loved the saying, $1.25. It's cheap, but where I'm going to put it, I think I'm going to put it over the window up there. I think so.
What did you do with my box?
I got it over here.
Okay.
Okay, so he got something else. I don't know what he's going to do with it, but it's got water on it.
I have a ton of cables. All kinds of cables. Lots of cables that I use every day, and then I have a lot of cables that I don't use every day. So the cables I use every day, I'm going to stick in this. The cables that I don't use every day are going to stay in the box that they're in. That way I don't have to go through all the cables every time I need to use them. I go through only the cables that I use every day in this. And then...
Well, you don't put half of your stuff back up where it belongs anyway.
That's what this is for.
But you just bought one of these.
The one I bought for that was for batteries. I put all my camera batteries in one big box and all the camera battery chargers.
Okay.
Making sense, okay.
Making sense.
Now here's even more. I bought a thing that's called an organizer box.
Looks like my old pill box.
Yeah, it looks like a pill box. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's got seven spots on it, so you could use it for a daily thing.
Count.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, well it's got 8. Yay.
He doesn't know how to count.
Ooh! Anyway, what I got this for is we told you we're going to be doing a model railroad, and this is what I'm going to use to keep model railroad nails.
That's a good idea.
I thought so. And model railroad nails and joiners and little parts.
And you know what you could do? Is you could do a wooden board and get several of these and put a washer.
And I thought I'd do it as a trial thing because I'm always looking for these parts and I'm always going through everything, and now I have all my parts in one place. And then I'll lose that.
Okay. So Our bread is disappearing around here. I don't know what's happening to it. Really, I do, because I don't eat bread. I make him sandwiches, and that's 5 sandwiches a week. Maybe if he doesn't want leftovers, okay? Bread's disappearing.
I don't eat much bread.
So, I got some more bread. And their bread's pretty good. Well, the other day I went to clean the bathroom. Couldn't clean it. Well, no, I did clean it. I cleaned it with regular bleach. And I'm sorry, I don't feel like that I can scrub, because I can put this Lysol Fresh Clean Gel around it, and it goes and it cleans it as it goes down, and it gets up above into the underneath the rim of it, because I got OCD real bad.
No.
And I have to clean it a certain way. If it doesn't clean, it's not clean. If I feel like I can't get it clean, it's not clean.
She sets it on fire.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
So then I got some powder, because it's hot. I got some Zest soap. I didn't find the dial. Why did you get more deodorant?
Because I ran out of deodorant, and this is kind of funny.
Is that the white? Oh no, it's the gel. Okay.
I'm allergic to the white type of deodorant, and the gel works fine. But if I use the white, I end up doing this number all day, and it drives me insane. So I got this, and I didn't have any, so I went to go downstairs where I work in the daytime, and we have a bookstore. In the bookstores, it's kind of like a convenience store. They had deodorant, but the only deodorant they had was Women's Secret.
You could have
So I smelled dainty all day.
Oh, did you buy some?
Oh yeah, I
you
bought
got some. In your...
Gotta have some, because otherwise I smell like a...
Anyway, I needed deodorant, so I bought me some more deodorant. And that is our Dollar Tree haul.
You got it all?
We got a pretty good haul.
Well, imagine that. We haven't had one in a while. So we're starting a new organization.
Yeah.
We're starting new hobbies.
Clean toilets.
We're doing all kinds of stuff. So
we got to go out there tonight or tomorrow morning and do yard work. Probably tomorrow morning when it's cool.
Evil.
So anyway, you want to go ahead and do Joanne's or with this, or do you want to do it separately?
We'll do it separately.
Okay.
So, y'all happy? We're happy. It's happy.
We are sorry it's been so long. It's just that we have been so busy with our other channels, and it's like I was throwing stuff in the buggy today, and I'm like, when it rang up, I was like, oh my gosh.
If you didn't know, we've got 2 other channels that we also do at the same time, and we've been really busy. And like today on her channel, her cooking and cleaning channel, I helped her cook stir-fried beef and or
pepper steak.
Pepper steak. And so I mean, and then on my channel, we haven't had much to do because we've been really busy and not.
We're going to try to get 2 gigs here by August 22nd.
Yeah, so if you see us other places on YouTube, you're not going crazy, because so we're out there. We got 2 more channels, and we do this one together. So
yeah, this is our thing. This is with the kittens, and I've got a video that I'm gonna put up of the kittens, just a small short reel. And but that's this, and we're going to set up for the next one. So we'll see y'all later.
It's our thing.
That's Robert.
That's Julie.
We don't care.
Nah, well,
but really we do.
We do?
Yeah.
Okay, if you say so. Bye.
See y'all later. Bye.